Hey, these people are still here. Look. Joanne's got Cheeto fingers. They're still here. I'm so thirsty. I don't know what's going on, but we got this boat in front of us. Nobody's looking. And I'm going like this to everybody. There's a hotel. Joanne almost ran this cop over and some old man pulled over. And Joanne runs him down. And then she slams on her brakes and sends me all the way back to the bathroom. Hold on, folks.
What do you do? Give a girl a driver that she don't fit like this.
Anyways, I see a Cracker Barrel. Oh wow, it's a new vehicle. Look. Wait. He's not looking. Yeah, he just drove off.
Is that the Jeep car?
The Jeep is back there. Okay. Nobody wants my hat. Oh. And I need a seamstress. Oh wow, that car is uneven. That looks like that looks low. It looks pretty bad. Oh wait a minute. Bye guys.